Hello friends, today in this second video I will be teaching you how to solve the edges of the second layer. So let's start. Now we need to learn one more algorithm, that is how to bring the suppose the edge we need is here, that is this edge should come here. Suppose in case we need this edge to come here, then what algorithm shall we use? Or we need to take this edge to its top layer, then what algorithm should we use? That is the algorithm which we need to know for this step. So let's see. The algorithm we must know for getting a block from this position to this position is as follows. You must first check which block you need. Suppose you can see here, yellow, the block which contains yellow, that is the edge which contains yellow, cannot go in any of these four positions. If you ask me why, it is very simple. If you think of yellow coming over here, then where is yellow center over here? It's not there. So why should yellow come here? Am I right? So yellow is not the edge which does not have yellow, is the edge we need. Suppose we can see this one with blue and orange. It does not have yellow, which means it's not an edge which is needed to be over here. We must take this blue and orange edge to its corresponding color, that is it must match. Now it is matching. We must take this edge to this position because it contains orange, which means this block should come this way over here. It must just turn and fix here. That's the thing we need to do. So for that, what we need to do is, if we must see if it needs to go to the left position or the right position. For us here, it should go to the left position. So to go to the left position, we must turn the top layer alone to the right, which makes the block go to the right side of the cube. The next thing what we must do is take the left layer, do a left, do an U prime, do an L prime and an U. Turn the cube towards the side of it, that is towards the left. Then do the first algorithm which I taught you. Up, U, R prime, U prime. Now you can see a big difference in this cube, that is the edge has fixed to its own position, but nothing else has got mixed up. So this is what we must learn to do. If the block must go to the left, if it must go to the right, we must do the opposite thing. Like if it must go to the left, we turn it to the left. If it want to go to the right, we should turn it left, and the first we should go to right. So we can take another example. Okay, this one, because it does not have any kind of yellow in it, so we are turning towards its matching color. Now we must check if it must go to the right or left. Left is already fixed, right has to get this block here. So to make the block go here, we must turn the top layer to the left, which makes the edge go to the left side of the cube. Then we must do the right side algorithm. Then we must turn the cube towards its right, and then again we must do the left side algorithm, that is L, U prime, L prime, U. Now you can see that this whole part has got solved, including the white, this part, everything has got solved. The next thing we must do is search for the next non-yellow color edge. Here one goes. We must match it. See whether it should go to the left or right. Here it should go to the left because red is in the left. We must turn the top layer to the right. We must do the left algorithm. Then we must turn the block towards its left and do the right algorithm. So here it goes. The same way we must do the rest. So here it goes. We have solved the 2 layers of the cube. So now we are going to learn how to solve the 3rd layer in my next video. Until then, thank you friends for watching, and for more videos, or if you want me to teach you any other method such as Roux or CFOP or anything else, you can please inform me in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notifications button. Thank you.